um Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We have uh, we have a project which is a do or die for us. So this project is about making a bell in Uganda, which has not been done before. So our first task has been to generate the design models, and we have so far generated two models, that is the French method and the English method. So as you can see here, we have the bed there, but as it stands, we are not expecting even to sleep. So we are going to produce the molds, the designs, and after producing the designs in SolidWorks, we shall print the designs on a Strico to produce a Strico using a laser cutter. So I will be updating you on this project, but just know it's a do or die. When we get this thing working out, boom,